Meet the Whirlpool Galaxy, also known as M51. Around 31 million light-years away in the constellation Canes Venatici, there's a giant cosmic whirlpool slowly tearing another galaxy apart. It's one of the most important galaxies humans have ever studied. The Whirlpool Galaxy is a grand design spiral galaxy, which basically means it has extremely clear spiral arms. Unlike messy or distorted galaxies, M51 looks almost perfect, like a cosmic pinwheel floating through space. But that beautiful shape isn't natural. Its smaller companion galaxy, called NGC 5195, has been gravitationally interacting with it for millions of years. Every time the smaller galaxy passes through or near the Whirlpool Galaxy, gravity compresses giant clouds of gas and dust. And when those clouds get compressed, stars are born. That's why the spiral arms of M51 glow so brightly. They're packed with huge star-forming regions, newborn blue stars, and enormous clouds of hydrogen gas stretching across light-years of space. Scientists use these glowing regions to better understand how galaxy interactions trigger star formation across the universe. Before studying galaxies like M51, we didn't fully understand just how violent galaxy evolution could be. And M51 helped prove that collisions between galaxies aren't rare cosmic accidents. They're actually part of how galaxies grow and change over time. But the Whirlpool Galaxy didn't just teach us about stars. It also helped us study one of the biggest mysteries in the universe: black holes. At the center of M51 lies a supermassive black hole millions of times more massive than our Sun. Astronomers detected powerful jets blasting from the galaxy's core, streams of energetic particles moving at enormous speeds. These observations helped scientists understand how active galactic nuclei work and how black holes can influence entire galaxies around them. The black hole in M51 doesn't just sit there quietly. It affects surrounding gas, heats nearby material, and may even influence future star formation inside the galaxy itself. And then there's dark matter. When scientists measured how stars moved through the Whirlpool Galaxy, something strange appeared. The outer regions were rotating far too fast for the visible matter alone to hold everything together. That meant there had to be hidden mass, invisible mass, dark matter. Galaxies like M51 became important evidence that dark matter isn't just theoretical. Something unseen is gravitationally shaping galaxies across the universe. The Whirlpool Galaxy also became one of the first galaxies where astronomers clearly observed spiral structure in detail. Back in the 1800s, many scientists still debated whether spiral nebulae were actually separate galaxies or just clouds inside the Milky Way. M51 became one of the key objects that pushed astronomy toward the realization that the universe was vastly larger than we imagined, an entire island universe, floating millions of light-years away. Today, telescopes like Hubble Space Telescope and James Webb Space Telescope continue studying the Whirlpool Galaxy across visible light, infrared, radio waves, and X-rays. And every wavelength reveals something different: hidden dust structures, exploding stars, magnetic fields, shock waves from galaxy interactions, and massive regions where future solar systems may already be forming. So when you look at the Whirlpool Galaxy, you're not just looking at something beautiful. You're looking at a laboratory for understanding galaxy evolution, black holes, star birth, dark matter, and the violent history of the cosmos itself. A giant cosmic storm, still unfolding in space right now.